Welcome to Autocamp Joshua Tree, where luxury meets the great outdoors. In this video, we'll take you inside the stunning Airstream glamping experience, showcasing its stylish design, top-notch amenities, and desert charm. Whether you're planning a getaway or just curious, let's explore this unique stay in the heart of Joshua Tree. At the heart of Autocamp Joshua Tree lies the modern Clubhouse, where we checked in with a friendly staff. The Clubhouse is a communal space designed for relaxation and socializing, which we'll go over more later on in the video. Before heading to our accommodation, we grabbed one of these red wagons to bring our belongings to our Airstream. Let's take a tour of our Airstream, and we are at number 149. There it is right there. But let's take a look at what's outside real quick. So we'll have this covered area with a small table and a couple chairs and this small fire pit or grill, whatever you want to call it. And here's another look of the Airstream. Now let's make our way inside. Let's check it out. Okay. All right. So here's a quick look upon entry. So first, let's take a look at the bathroom at the end. It's a pretty spacious bathroom. So here's the sink, and those are the Autocamp products they use here. Let's see what's here. There's a hair dryer, some towels, there's a toilet paper, and there's a mirror right here. So you can control the vents in the bathroom from there. And these are the light switches, and there's the plug. Now let's take a look at the shower. Pretty spacious shower. So I'm standing in it right now. The Autocamp products right there again. Yeah, it's very spacious in here, so that's cool. And some more towels. So here's the living room area with this large couch. This actually converts into a bed, so you can sleep two people out here. And some more controls for the lights over here. And you can hang some items up there. Here's this kitchen area. There's a sink right there, and so what do they provide here? Some coffee. These are tea right here. Salt and pepper. Some matches. Stuff for your drinks here. A can opener and a bottle opener. Scissors. And what's in here? Oh, these are things for your coffee. So creamer and sugar. Let's see what's inside these drawers. Some more utensils. Spoons and forks. This is the trash bin, I believe. Yep, trash is down there. And paper towel. And there is a dustpan right there if you need to clean up. And up here are the plates, bowls, and glasses. And there's a water kettle here. And some more cups for your coffee or tea. Let's see what's inside this other storage area. So up here, some stuff for your barbecue grill. What's this? Are these for cooking or for your dogs? I'm not sure. There's a Pyrex glass container right there. Small closet with some hangers and an extra table. Over here, some microwave, and a skillet, cast iron skillet for the grill outside. There's a small fridge. And down here, oh, you can't open that. That's for the staff. And here's the AC controls. And there's a plug right here. And these are for the lights. So turn the lights on in this little kitchen area. Now here's the bedroom. This looks like a queen size bed. Look, it's very nice here. So there's lights on both sides of the bed and some USB plugs and additional storage. And these are just controls for the lights, so you can turn them on and off. There's curtains here also. If you want to open that up, it's really bright and hot outside, so it's closed right now. There's the TV, some more lighting and the controls for the lights, and some more storage drawers on both sides. And more storage. I'm not sure what this switch does. Yep, I don't know what this does. So overall, this is a pretty spacious camper here at Autocamp in Joshua Tree. So we set up the couch and laid it flat, so now it sleeps too. All the bedding stuff was underneath it actually, and I didn't know that, but this is what it looks like, and it looks very comfy. Alright, so for Hilton Diamond members, they get this complimentary kit which has firewood, a s'mores kit, and here's the sticks for the s'mores, for the marshmallows, and a couple of drinks, so you can get either sparkling water or still water. The Autocamp Joshua Tree Clubhouse is a beautifully designed communal space that blends modern aesthetics with desert-inspired elements. Inside, you'll find stylish lounge areas, a cozy indoor fireplace, and a curated selection of books and games. Guests can purchase snacks, beverages, souvenirs, and other camping essentials at the general store inside the clubhouse. Stepping outside unveils a large outdoor patio with more board games and where live music is played during the evening. There's also a large outdoor fire pit, perfect for roasting marshmallows and staying warm in the cold evenings while enjoying clear views of the desert sky. The kitchen, located inside the clubhouse, is open daily from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Guests can purchase breakfast, lunch, and dinner items, as well as grab-and-go snacks, coffee, tea, beer, wine, and cocktails. Complimentary granola, coffee, and tea is served from 7 to 10 a.m. I tried to order an avocado toast for breakfast, but they didn't have any, so I settled for this breakfast sandwich. We highly recommend bringing your own food to grill by your Airstream or stopping by the nearby places to eat. We tried some pizza from Sky High Pie and it was delicious, so I suggest trying it out. We really enjoyed spending a couple hours cooling off and relaxing in the refreshing pool late in the afternoon when no one was really using it. Plenty of seating is available, while drinks and snacks can be purchased at the clubhouse for poolside dining. Start off your morning by joining the yoga session that takes place at the Mojave Dome outside the clubhouse. Those looking to be more active can explore the town by riding around these bikes located by the parking lot. Joshua Tree National Park is a quick 15-minute drive away where you can take various hikes to explore the desert landscape. Make sure to get here early to avoid traffic and the extreme heat during the summer. Autocamp has 5 EV charging stations, and there were always spots available during our 2-night stay. We had a nice day at Autocamp Joshua Tree. We really enjoyed cooling off at the pool or spending time inside our luxurious Airstream, especially when it got hot outside. And of course, the campground's close proximity to Joshua Tree National Park made our stay here extremely convenient. We recommend this place for families, and we would consider staying here again, but not until we check out all the other Autocamp sites around the country. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.